Hey traders, as you probably know if you've been trading for any length of time, what time of year you trade can also make a big difference in your trading. Currently summer here on holiday in the US with Paul Tillman, and sometimes the summer conditions are not always the best, but we are heading towards the end of the Northern Hemisphere summer and good conditions ahead. So let's get into that more right now. Hey traders, Andrew here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 601. Currently on holiday in the US or vacation, been here for a few weeks, and currently with Paul Tillman and his family here in North Carolina, currently at Grandfather Mountain. A little bit hard to see behind us. We're up in the mist at just over 5,000 feet. Point of this video though is that we're here trading as normal whilst on vacation or on holiday, and we've had a couple of really good weeks since I've been here. And despite that, we are in the kind of the quiet time of year, and Paul living here will know more about that. But Northern Hemisphere summertime, July, August can sometimes be tricky conditions. But as Paul's going to explain to you, we're heading out of those conditions and into some good ones between now and Christmas.
Right. So right now, a lot of people are on vacations, holidays, school is out, a lot of good weather, people are out traveling. So the volume's just naturally going to be lower. Not as many people trading, so the conditions are a little bit tougher, more sideways price action, not as much in terms of defined trends up and down. Trading conditions are okay, but they're not great. Definitely see better earlier in the year before the Northern Hemisphere summer, and we're coming into a nice time here in the U.S. fall, all the way up until Christmas, where trading conditions will be very, very nice. We'll have much better trends and much more quality and high probability setups to pick.
So the important thing is that although we've had some great trades, we haven't had a lot of trades. And so it's more about the quality of the trades that you take. And so each day we go through the daily charts. And just yesterday we had 2 trades on the daily charts at the beginning of this week. And we also had 7 trades on the weekly charts.
Lots of those.
Yet the week before we had very few on the weeklies, but we did have a few trades for the month of August. So we're looking on the completion of a candle and the close of a candle, but we've been very selective on the trades that we do take because of these conditions. So it's really important to remember it's the quality of the trades that you take, not so much the quantity. We've been really selective on the trades we've taken over the last couple of weeks. Just 2 trades yesterday on the dailies, but 7 weekly chart trades. And not so many on the shorter time frame charts, just because of the nature of the market conditions right now. But as Paul mentioned, we are turning into that sort of August into September time where you're going to get better trading conditions. So more important to look at the charts on the close of a candle, but also you're probably going to find more shorter time frame opportunities as well.
That's right. The great thing is our strategy works on all time frames. Everything now, we trade as low as 30 minutes or 1 hour, all the way up to monthly. So lots of opportunities. You don't have to try to do 50, 60 trades in a week. As Andrew mentioned, it's all about quality of the trade more than quantity. I was telling a coaching client the other day that, would you rather make 50 trades and make a couple percent a week, or make 10 trades and a couple percent a week? And obviously the less trading, the better. Go out, do stuff with your family, go live the rest of life outside of trading. So it's all about that, those quality trades, and those trading conditions are going to turn right for us here shortly.
That's right. And exactly like right now, we are about 2:15 local time. So we've got like almost another 2.5 hours before we even need to look at our charts today. And at that, today being a Monday here, we'll be looking at the daily charts, and also we scan through 12 hours, 8 hours, and 6 hours at that 5 p.m. New York change of day. So be really selective. Look at the markets and the time frames that are showing the best setup. Now, if you haven't been on our masterclass, you can click on the link here to a short 17-minute on-demand masterclass. If you're out there looking for a good high-quality broker, I'll put a link here to Blueberry Markets. And of course, if you have any comments for myself or Paul, or questions or trading topics, conversations that you'd like us to talk about on future videos and podcasts, just like this one, leave a link below and we'll be glad to help answer that for you and to enhance your trading. So once again, this is Andrew Mitchem and
Paul Tillman
here in North Carolina, having a great time on vacation. We'll see you this time next week.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.